Hi everyone, and welcome to another release video of Shopware 6. In June 2022, we have released the version 6.4.12.0. Besides the bunch of bug fix implementations made by our developers, we have come up with some new features and improvements in admin as well. Let's take a glance at some of the features and improvements together. The first improvement that I'm going to talk about is tags. So let's switch to tags under settings and shop. Here, as you may know, tags could be assigned to one or several entities and then could be used for further purposes like filtering and rule conditions, etc. In the new version, it's now possible to manage the tags in a central module. We can now individually edit the text by using the context menu here, or duplicate them, or just make them delete and remove from the admin. In the filter area, we have the possibility to filter the tags in terms of the entities they are assigned to. So if we were to show only assigned tags, we can use this filter show unassigned tags only. Besides deleting and editing the text individually, we can also select one or more texts and merge them using the merge feature here. Let's move to the dynamic product groups to see the new features out there. So for dynamic product groups, I clicked under catalogs, dynamic product groups. To show you the new features, I'm just going to click the add dynamic product group. So dynamic product groups, as the name speaks for itself, this is not a static group, rather a dynamic product group based on the conditions we set down here. So once the products are fulfilled with the conditions set here are added to the group. So once they don't, so they are removed from the group. So up to now we had the possibility to set the conditions based on product and cover image or number or availability stock. So in this new version we have the possibility to set the condition for GTIN or EAN for the product. In other terms, this is the global trade item number or European article number. So based on these, the products can be added or removed from the groups in the new version. Additionally, we have the possibility also to set the condition here according to the delivery time of the product. The third usability improvement that I want to share with you is about the FlowBuilder. In the new version under FlowBuilder, actions and conditions in the drop-down menu are now grouped and alphabetically ordered for easier selection. Let's now have a closer look together by clicking on one of the already ordered created flows. So I will skip to the flow to show you the new features. As you may know, we set a trigger in the first place for the flow, and then either we click add a condition or add an action for the flow. So I will go ahead and add an action here, and to show you the list here, it's now grouped in terms of customer, tag, and general, and also it is alphabetically ordered. This applies for the condition as well. If we click on the add condition and see the list here, this is also alphabetically ordered for easier selection. So another improvement made here is about the editing mode of the FlowBuilder. In the editing mode, if the user navigates away, say hit the back button or click somewhere in the admin area, this pop-up warning will come up in the new version. It says there are unsaved changes and if you are sure to leave the page or not. If you click on leave page, the changes won't be saved, or if we choose to stay on the page and do some more editing and save the flow, then we can click on the stay on page. To name some other new features available and improvements, I want to mention a couple of them, like handling of manual app updates regarding changes of domain and permissions. User who has triggered the manual update will be informed about the changes of domain and permission for an app update, so they will have to accept it. Another improvement is about the custom fields. Content of custom fields is now inherited over languages, so that the merchant doesn't need to fill in every content in each language. As you know, we have released the new admin search in February. Now we did several improvements, like having much better performance in admin search, and you'll get a optimized ranking of results as well. Apps can add now own conditions to the rule builder and flow builder. Apps can also now add custom fields to all entities where custom fields are possible in general. Before, only a smaller selection of entities was available. In addition to the new features and improvements that I've just mentioned in this video, there are several bug fix implementations made by our developers as well. So if you want to check them out by yourself, don't lose any minute and get the latest update of the Shopware 6 and enjoy the new features. Until the next video, bye bye.